Alright, here's a video of this NuTone Decorator ceiling fan. This is in the living room of my grandparents' house. And it's about 10 feet up. I think it's on about a 2 or 3 foot down rod. It's original to the house, which was built in 1989, I think. And unfortunately I can only run it on 1 speed because I can't reach that chain, obviously. It's controlled by this switch right here. So I will turn it on now. I think it's on low on reverse, but here we go. It wobbles slightly too. I'll show you a top view of it. Turn it off, and that's about it.